Namaskaram. This is a very special short episode on Munch and Mull. I have come to my brother's home and this is my little nephew Shivank. And today he is going to be presenting the Munch and Mull episode. Yeah, Shivank?
Yes.
Say hi to them.
Hello.
So here we go.
I am Shivank from the PSDB Millennium School, OMR, Chennai. I am very glad to share this recipe with you all. It is very easy to make, nutritional. It doesn't involve any fire and doesn't involve any waste. I have taken flattened rice that I have washed and soaked for 10 minutes, powdered jaggery, cardamom powder, nuts and grated coconut. The flattened rice is going to be giving us the carbohydrates. The powdered jaggery is going to be giving us healthy sugars and iron. The cardamom powder is going to be giving us flavor. The nuts are going to be giving us proteins and healthy fats. The grated coconut is going to be giving us fibers and healthy fats. So all we need to do is mix the ingredients together. First, let's take the flattened rice. Then we'll take the powdered jaggery. Then we'll take the cardamom powder. We'll take the grated coconut next. Let's mix it now. Don't forget, I've also used the coconut shell. This is going to be my serving bowl. Here is our ready sweet poha. Did you like the recipe? Wasn't it easy? We as kids should give our mothers a break by making these short and simple recipes. Let's mull over it. Mothers work so hard for us trying to put tasty food on the table. We should always give them a break by trying these easy recipes for them and for ourselves. Did you like the video? Hit the like button and subscribe to Munch and Mull. Thank you.
Hey, have you subscribed to Munch and Mull? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.